What's up, you guys? It's your girl Loverlee, and I am back with another video. So in today's video, I'm going to be refurbishing this Jordan shoe balloon mosaic. But before we get started, go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't been subscribed to the channel already. Give this video a like and also leave me some comments in the comment section below. Let me know what you think about this video. It's gonna be such a cool video. I'm super excited to do this. I don't know why I'm so excited to refurbish this, but I'm gonna tell you guys a little backstory about this mosaic frame. It's a 5 feet Jordan shoe balloon mosaic frame that I made for another balloon artist about a year ago or more, not sure. But as you can see, she used tape to add the balloons in there, and there's like a lot of like broken pieces. I guess it's the way it was stored. As I said, it was over a year ago, so I'm sure it was in a storage place somewhere or something. But it's like broken areas like here, so I'm gonna be refurbishing all of that, trying to remove all of these tapes and remove the balloons out of it. Down here is broken, I'm gonna have to fix that. Also broken right there, I'm gonna have to fix it. I can do it. It's better than starting from scratch. She used like tape to hold up some areas, I guess, but I'm also gonna show you guys the back of it. So this is the stand, and as you can see, it's also coming off. Yeah, it's gonna be fun. It's gonna be fun to refurbish, but I'm excited and I want to take you guys along with me for the journey. Are you excited? Because I am. So go ahead, sit back and relax and watch me work. She needed it by Wednesday and today's Monday, so yeah, not a lot of time, but I can do it. So first I'm gonna try to remove all of the tape and balloons out of it first, and then start like using the hot glue to put together these parts. Should be fun. Alright, you guys, so now it's all cleaned up. I removed all of the like used balloons and tape and stuff like that, and I put those balloons up there to try to like break the space in, because it was pressed down and it's supposed to be open. So I added those balloons up there to try to like train that little spot to stay open, just to break it in a little bit. So I'm gonna leave those balloons up there until it's time to, you know, repair that section. But for now, it's all cleaned up and stuff. It's time to start repairing the frame, like using my hot glue and try to like fix all of these broken areas. And then I will know if I'm supposed to replace any of the foam boards. But for now, it doesn't look like I need to, but I'll let y'all know. Alright guys, so it's the next day and I just got done with this Jordan shoe balloon mosaic. I wish I could add a lot more like tiny balloons. You guys know how I make my balloon mosaics, like all of these little spots will be filled in. I can't do that because she asked not to add a lot of small balloons because they will deflate in a couple days. This structure needs to stay up for a long while, so I was asked not to add a lot of tiny balloons like these little baby balloons. In a couple days they might deflate, but that's just balloons. You can't avoid those. So this is the final look. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. I think it's super cute and I really can't believe I got this done in less than a day, but I feel like I did a good job with refurbishing the whole structure and making it beautiful again. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Give this video a big thumbs up. Also subscribe to the channel if you aren't already, and leave me some comments in the comment section below. But I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.